If you're like me and love making content on YouTube, on TikTok, but hate posting, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to automate your whole social media using AI with this incredible tool called Blotato, and it does it all for you. It really, really is an amazing tool. I've been using it. It does posting, it does rewriting, it does automation, it does research. It helps you find the best videos, find the best content, find the most viral posts, and rewrite them, remix them to your liking, use your own voice to do it, all using AI. And it's an absolute banger of a video. Plus, I got a bonus for you guys. If you get all the way to the end, I'm going to show you this business bonus right here. And we're going to try to do it all in 10 minutes. I can't promise. But if you guys really want to automate your social media and do it correctly with a tool that's actually done it the right way, not some hacky way where it's going to block your account, this thing actually works. It's really, really good. Let's jump into it. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Marcin AI. I am a no-code AI developer, and I love AI tools, projects. We love building, we love creating. But one thing we do love is a good product that we actually use. Blotato, what is it? Why do I use it? Why am I talking about it? So one of the biggest issues is just posting on all those platforms. It's just so much work. And you could never really get it all to do it together. You can get some automation tools that work, and they can only do it to 2 or 3 platforms. But this thing can do most, if not all of the ones that you use, at least the ones that I used. So here's the website. You can just go to it. It's blotato.com, sign up, all that good stuff. But let's just actually get into the meat and potatoes and actually start creating. So once you log in, one of the big things that you'll notice is you need to connect your account. So this is the obvious stuff. You've probably done this on your other platforms. Here's no different. So I have my Instagram connected, my Facebook's connected, my Threads is connected, my X is connected, and my LinkedIn is connected. And that's what we're going to start with, because most of the stuff that I like to automate is a lot of the tweets, the threads, the LinkedIn posts, the Facebook posts of my content. So the way my workflow works is I make full-length YouTube videos. So these are anywhere from 9 to 30 minutes. Excuse me. So now what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to take your long-form videos, and then you'll be able to bring that in here, and it's going to be able to paste those long-form videos on other platforms. So you can see everything that it has. So we have Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, Blue Sky, and YouTube. Right now, YouTube Shorts is what it can post. So it's perfect, right? So boom, set up your accounts, connect everything. You could also connect to 11 Labs if you want to create audio, and then you can buy your credits here. We'll get into all the payment stuff later, but let me just show you what this thing can do, how powerful it is. So first thing you'll see on the left side here, you got remix, inspiration, prompts, sources, calendar, publish post, fail post, and videos. So what does that mean? So I would say the thing that I like to start with first is remix. What remix will do is remix allows you to take any piece of content. You go up here to the top and it says add source. You could add text source. This isn't just your own stuff. This is anything that's on the internet or anything that you have available. So this could be text, this could be article, this could be YouTube, TikTok, Perplexity, audio, or PDF. You name it, you can put it in here. So let's just use YouTube as an example. So I just finished one of these videos on my channel, which was where I recreated Spotify. Hope you guys have seen it. If you guys, hope you guys like my content. I create a bunch of different clones using no code, and that's really, really fun. We use it as inspiration, but it's really to show you the power of it. But here is how you would use Blotato for it. So I have my YouTube video. I would take that link, I would paste it in here. I would save it as a source. So this is my Spotify vid, and I would hit add. So now you could see, and it's going to say what kind of post do you want to create. You want to do a tweet, you want to do an Instagram post, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest. So for example, for this, let's do a tweet, and let's also do a thread, and also a LinkedIn post. And you can do up to 5 posts per content, and you can do as many as you want, and you can schedule them all out. I'll show you that later. But the main thing is I'm going to do, so let's just do one of each just to show you guys. So 1 tweet, 1 LinkedIn post, and 1 thread. Actually, let's do Facebook too. So we got 4 just to show you. So now up here, you'll see it's going to show you all of them. So you got Twitter, you got Threads, you got LinkedIn, and you got Facebook. And it's using our Spotify video source. So look what it says. It's instantly created our post. No code AI is changing everything. I built a full Spotify YouTube hybrid in 30 minutes. No coding, no engineering degree. Using 2 tools, Replit for development, Copycoder for perfect prompts. Now anyone can build multi-million-dollar apps fast. Are you paying attention? So check that out. Literally did that on its own. I didn't even do anything. All I did was I added the source. And also, what about Threads? It created a thread. Also LinkedIn. Look at this. It wrote a full in-depth LinkedIn post. What about Facebook? Same thing. and it uses formats for the appropriate social media platforms. So this is absolutely insane if you think about it. But here's the kicker. You can also add media. So I can go in and upload a file. So let's just upload one of my thumbnails for that video. So here, let's just go in. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to thumbnails. And let's just go to the most recent one because I just did this video. So it should probably be my most recent. And I'm going to really show you the power of what this can actually do. So that's the Gronk video. Here it is. Copy $1 billion music app. So I'm going to hit save. And now this image is attached to this post on Twitter. So if I publish this right now, it's going to publish to Twitter right away. But here's the best part. I can actually schedule this. So I could say pick a time and I could say publish it in 20 minutes, an hour, 2 days. And you can basically schedule out everything. So this is the scheduling part. So let's just do a schedule for tomorrow, just so I could show you inside calendar now, we have a schedule for tomorrow. This is on Twitter and it's ready to go. And then I can go in, I can edit this, I can delete it, I can change it here. Very simple and very efficient. But the best part is now I can do this for LinkedIn, Facebook, and anything else that you want to do. So that's the simplicity of creating your first post. But now this is where the AI comes in. On the right side here, you have a ChatGPT enabled communication where you could use different models. So you got Claude, O3 Mini, you got GPT 4.0, ChatGPT, the latest version. And you can go in here and actually prompt it to rewrite it in any way you want. And what's great about Blotato is you can actually pick a style of writing that you want. That's already optimized. That's already written out for you. So you could pick your platform. So you got Twitter. So let's do a LinkedIn one. And then check this out. You got a 3 limiting beliefs writing style. And it has this whole in-depth prompt that's way smarter than I could ever create. And there's a 3 listicle one. There's, for example, a brainstorm in TikTok IG video hook, extract wisdom, so on and so on. So there's a LinkedIn default right here. So what this will do is this has taken the most optimized LinkedIn posts, created a prompt for them. So now you'll be able to use this exact prompt for your text. So look at this. So I will use the provided prompt to create a new post. And there it is. And now it's used the exact prompt for LinkedIn. So I can just say, do it for LinkedIn. Let's see what it says. So now it's going to rewrite it and it's going to use that prompt that we selected. Just think about the power of that. It's absolutely insane what you can do by being able to take proven, exact, structured posts or tweets and actually use them for your application. So check this out. Building an app used to take months. Now AI can do it in 30 minutes. Here's a Spotify clone. Let's go in. I can actually make an image also if I wanted to, or generate even an AI video. But I'm going to upload a video again because I do want to actually post this. I'm going to do it right now. So let's copy this. I'm going to save it. And once it's done, I'm going to have this complete post. AI builds, you create. What would you like to build in tech? And I'm going to hit publish. To what platform? To LinkedIn. And I'm going to hit bang. And now it's going to post to my LinkedIn. So let's take a look where it actually goes. Let me log in. Whoops. So let's go to my LinkedIn, go to my profile, and guess what? Look at this. It just posted right now. Marcin, building an AI app used to take months. And here is my billion music app. Oh, check that's my other post here that I was doing. This was my school clone that I did, which is really fun. So if you guys don't know my channel, I actually create a bunch of different clones and no-code development projects. So I've done, you name it, we've done it now. It's kind of become my thing. People absolutely love the content because it allows us. So we've done now, let's see what we've done here. We did a Spotify clone. We did a Yelp clone. We cloned X. We cloned school. We cloned a bunch of different ones. And we've also created websites, SaaS demos, SaaS businesses, web scrapers, so on and so on. And just a quick little plug for those of you guys that are new, we have an amazing community of builders called the No Code AI Army. So definitely come join us and get on board. But going back to Blotato, you could see how quickly we just went from taking a YouTube video, a piece of content that I made, and that could have been something else. That could have been a blog that I wrote or my post on Instagram. It doesn't really matter what your source is. And I very quickly created a Facebook post, a thread, and a LinkedIn post. And you can create up to 5 for anything. But that's only using a video source. So for example, let's say I wanted to do something a little bit different. Why don't we use an article? So why don't we pull up, for example, something new? So what's the hottest, newest thing? Grok 3. So now look at this. This is where it really elevates your skill as a content creator because you no longer have to sit there and come up with ideas. So for example, Grok 3 appears to have briefly censored unflattering mentions of Trump and Musk. That's pretty hot take. So let's take this URL. Let's go to Blotato. Let's go to article. Let's paste it in here. Save the source and call this Grok 3 Trump block, whatever. hit add, and now we have that. So now let's get rid of this one. And then let's say, let's get rid of that. And then let's go in and create, for example, a thread. So we're going to add a post and we're going to add a thread. And now it's going to take that and look, what do we have here? Grok 3, Elon Musk's AI was caught censoring mentions of Trump and Musk. Ooh. Users found that when asked about misinformation, Grok 3 avoided naming them. They claim Grok 3 is maximum truth seeker. But who decides the truth, right? So pretty hot take, but it's not good enough. So why don't we do this? Why don't we say, this sounds a little weak sauce. Give me a little more angry vibe. Let's just see what it does. If you're an angry type of person. Grok 3, Elon Musk's AI was blatantly caught censoring negative mentions of Trump and Musk. When users questioned it about misinformation, Grok 3 conventionally skipped their names. How's that maximum truth seeking? How crazy is that? And I could just go in and publish this right now. Hit bang, and it's going to go to my threads. That's the power of the posting. And this is the way I've started using Blotato just to post on this. And this is the remix feature. But if you're like, let's say out of ideas, you're like, I don't have my sources. All you got to do is go to inspirations. And this is the next section of Blotato that I think is fantastic, is it actually takes in real-time data of the most viral posts. So if you go, for example, sort by, let's go, most comments. And now you're going to get pulled in to look at that. 69,000 reposts, a bunch of Sam Altman stuff. And guess what? If you like this insane thing, we're currently losing money on OpenAI Pro subscriptions. People use much more than expected. That's a great piece of content. I'm going to go in here and click remix. And now we just pulled in that piece of data. And then we're going to say, write me a happy post about this, just to mix it up. So we're going from happy to unhappy. There it is. OpenAI Pro is so popular that it's actually costing OpenAI money. People are using it way more than expected, which just proves how much everyone loves it. Looks like the future of AI is bright and busier than ever AI. And then we're going to go here, we're going to hit publish, and we're going to go to threads, and we're going to publish on our threads. Just like that. It's instant. It's crazy, right? You can now see the power of what you can actually do with Blotato. So now we've covered the remix, the inspiration. Then you have your prompts. This is where you go in and create prompts specific to your writing style. Let's say you have a blog. Let's say for me, I'm going to take and scrape all of my YouTube transcripts and I'm going to put them in here and I'm going to call this prompt Marcin AI. And then whenever I make posts, whenever I make tweets, whenever I make any type of content, I'm just going to pick my Marcin AI prompt and then it's going to know my context. It's going to speak in my language. This is the beautiful part of this. We have our sources, which we've already discussed. Now we've added these sources. You can delete them, upload more, whatever you want. Now we have our calendar. We have something scheduled here already. Pretty simple. Then we have our published post. You can already see what I published today. And then if something fails, you got it here. And then this is the best, most powerful thing. So going back to this, we're kind of flying through this. So I showed you the setup, very easy. We found viral content. We created the viral content. We've also automated the viral content, which is the hardest part. This is the part that I hate the most. I've had VAs do stuff, but they just never do it the same way. Plus, they're working on different IPs, and it just doesn't seamlessly work as well as this tool. And trust me, I've tried many freaking tools over the years, and they don't do as good job because they don't have that integration of the AI tools and being able to write in certain voices and certain prompts. This is really, really powerful stuff. But this is number 5. This is what I wanted to show you. So let's get rid of these because these are done. But number 5, this is the big one. And once I saw that Blotato can actually do this, I was kind of blown away. So you know what number 5 is? Create AI videos. Full on AI videos. And super crazy high quality. So you basically write a script. So I actually started messing around with this. So I wrote, let's actually come up with something really fun for the video. So we know GTA 6 hasn't come out yet. But let's do a really sick GTA 6 POV shot that I'll show you that's going to use AI. I want you to write a 10-second GTA 6 scene of somebody POV holding a gun inside of a bank. Generate script with AI. We're going to go super short. So let's just do a quick 10-second. And then we're just going to hit generate script. So we're going to call this GTA 6 bank. This is a little bonus for you guys. And this is what I love about Blotato is since it allows you to create videos for your posts, might as well be able to do it all. And when I say do it all, I mean it really can do it all because the quality of this thing is crazy. So let me see GTA Bank. Let's go 17 seconds. Here we go. And let's see what it comes up with. So imagine this. You just discovered a hidden bank in GT 6. It's not just any bank. This one has secret vaults and crazy heists waiting for you. Picture stealing millions. So let's get rid of this just to make it shorter. Oops, I don't know why it's... Okay. All right, perfect. So there's our script. So we got 12 seconds. Then we're going to pick our theme: apocalyptic, cinematic, cosmic, cyberpunk, dystopian. I like this dystopian, actually. Let's try this dystopian. And then we got voices.
The train chugged along the tracks, carrying passengers to their destination.
That's pretty good.
The rhythmic sound of the wheels on the rails was soothing.
All right. And then we're going to generate our draft video. And now what this is actually going to create our storyboard and break down our videos, how it's going to break down into scenes. Typically they're 4 to 5 seconds. So I'm assuming it's going to be 3 shots as we see here. And let's see what this does. And while we wait for, oh, here we go, guys. We're there. So there you go. We have 3 shots. So just for the sake of this, I want to just get rid of this. And let's just do 2. So it's going to be much faster to do. You just discovered a hidden bank in GTA 6. So there's a voiceover. And then there's a bunch of different things you can do. You can do image with zoom. You could do a custom image. You could do an animated image. So I want to go for video because I think that'll be the most impact. So let's go switch to video. And then there's different models to use based on how much you want to spend, how many credits you want to spend. So we got cheapest, good, great, best for image, best for realistic image, best for text, and so on. So let's just do best for image. And then we also, once we create this image, it's also going to take that image and then it's going to create it into video. So this is kind of text to image to video. And you'll see the results. It's absolutely stunning. So now we have our text to image prompt. So it says create a dystopian image of a hidden bank. So I'm going to get rid of all this and I'm just going to say this. POV GTA 6, period. A man is standing inside of a bank holding a gun with both hands, with people running and screaming, with a fire burning inside the bank, period. It's clearly a robbery, period. I want it to feel like it's in a dystopian future. So that is our image prompt. And then we're just going to do the same for the video. So I want to just see what this thing can create. So we're going to go here and then we're going to create that. And then let's go, for example, to good. So now we're going to do our first scene. And then let's just get rid of the second scene again, because it's going to take a little while for it to do, because we're going for super high quality here. But let's create this gem and show you guys what this thing can actually do and the power of the video generation tool within Blotato. And to join, it's really easy, guys. You can check this out. Go to blotato.com. You just go to log in, put your email, you'll get a sign up code, and then you'll get a bunch of different free things. I think there's 3 different pricing. So there's 30 a month. You get all the languages, unlimited threads, unlimited posting. You get the image generation, video generation. You get up to 1,250 credits to use to make videos. You get to connect up to 20 social media accounts. They're very generous. This is like the $29 plan. And then there's also, one thing I forgot to mention is the Zapier and Make.com integrations. So you'll be able to actually connect with those. If you guys are familiar, you'll be able to do all your webhooks. So there's really true automation that you can do way beyond what this thing can do using Zapier or Make.com. And then one great thing is Sabrina, who actually created this product, she'll be able to do weekly calls with people. If you guys have questions, suggestions, things like that. That's the starter plan. The creator plan is the one I'm on, which is the $97 a month. And this one is just way more AI credits because I have another video coming for you guys. It's an absolute banger purely around the faceless content side of this. And then all the other stuff in here. Plus you get all the APIs, database, all that good stuff. And then if you're an agency, if you're really looking to crank this up and do this for your clients, then the agency account would be something you'd be interested in. And tons of really good people using it. And I really like this product. I got behind it because I just think it's fantastic and it actually works and I've been using it. So you can just start your 7-day trial here. And then yeah, definitely let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And send me some links to videos. I really want to see what you guys are creating out there. All right, our video is ready. Let's see what our dystopian future looks like. So let's go, let's download this video. You can see you can play back, you got picture and download. So I'm going to download it here. And then, watch this. That looks sick. No way. We just created this with one prompt. You guys, wow, that's crazy. Look at the quality of that. GTA 6 before GTA 6. Bang. So imagine, we just did that literally in one prompt. Imagine we went into ChatGPT or Grok and actually gave it some real crazy details or screenshots of inspiration. I mean, you could really go nuts, but this is just a few words. Look at this prompt. I said, a man standing inside of a bank robbing with a gun, both hands. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. And what you can do now is that's our first shot. So now we can add a second shot. And now we can do a different one. And so on. And then you can actually create these faceless videos, the ones that you've seen. So the one channel, this one, I don't know if you guys ever seen this. Look at this. Let's do a better one. Let me see. This one right here. You wake up in the Black Plague. So this channel's crushing it. I mean, we're doing hundreds of millions of views on this. I'm pretty sure they are. Look at that. So that's all done the same exact way that I just showed you. So you'll be able to do this. I'm actually going to do a whole video series on this where I'm going to launch a YouTube channel and I'm going to use Blotato to make all the videos. I'm going to actually launch the YouTube channel. I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but it's all going to be in the next video. So stay tuned, guys, and definitely give a follow. But that should do it, guys. I mean, it's pretty much all here. You saw the power of Blotato. And like always, guys, if you guys sign up, click the link below, get all that good stuff. You know, I appreciate it. You buy me a nice cup of coffee. And thank you, Sabrina, for sponsoring this video. It's been really fun using your platform. I think you did an amazing job. So kudos to that. And keep it up. And I can't wait to continue. And I really look forward to seeing what's coming next. I can only imagine it's going to get much, much better. I think it took a little bit longer than 10 minutes to do, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you're like me, if you hate posting, if you like me, but you hate the whole process, the monkey work of going in and trying to post all this stuff, now you can do it, and you can do it way better because you can, one, automate it, schedule it, but you can use the power of amazing LLMs to make your content way better, way more engaging across platforms. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.